Good morning, students. I hope so you all are doing fine. So, today I welcome you all to your English class. So, today the date is 1st of May 2021. So, we have come to the 5th month of the year. So, and the day is Saturday. Now, let's begin today's class. Now children, today's topic is chapter number 2, articles. So in yesterday's video, I have explained to you what is articles and the different types of articles and how we have to use the articles. So today we will be starting with the exercises that are in page number 21, 22 and 24. So let me quickly brush up again. What is article? Article is a word that is used to modify or describe nouns, and it is mainly used before a noun. Now there are two types of articles. One is indefinite article, another one is definite articles. When we talk about a noun and we give the exact idea or specific or particular idea about something, it is known as the definite article, which is we use the definite article the. And when we talk about something in general, any noun in general, it is known as the article that we use before that noun is known as the indefinite article, which is a and an. Now there are some exceptions when we are using the article the. So we have to be careful when we use the article the. So let's quickly read out. The definite article is the word the, and it is used before a noun to specify something previously considered. So let's see when we have to use the article the. So use the after you have talked about it the first time. Suppose I am talking about something in general, and the next time again I am talking about the same object or thing, we are going to use the article the. So here you can see there's an example. This is a dog. So we are talking about any dog. Now I am again talking about the same dog. So I will say the dog is brown. So I am talking about the same dog I mentioned just before sometime, and when I say the next time about the same dog, I use the article the. The dog is brown. Now here you see we use the when the person you are talking to already knows what you are talking about. So the person to whom you are talking already has the knowledge about about something that you are talking. So see here, I am going to the bank. Suppose you are saying to your friend that you are going to the bank, and you have already shared the opinion of going to the bank yesterday night with your friend. So your friend already knows that you will be going to the bank. Now next one, there is someone knocking at the door. It must be the computer repairman. So maybe you need some repairing of the computer, and you have already called the computer repairman and you are waiting for his arrival. So you are saying that there is knocking at the door. It must be the computer repairman. Now there are some more instances where you should use the. We use the before number 1 names of the newspaper like the Telegraph, the Hindu. Then we use the before the famous buildings, museums, monuments, paintings like the Empire State Building, the Louvre, the Qutub Minar, the Mona Lisa. Then number 3, we use the before the people of the country like the French, the English. Next, we also use the for number 1 adjective describing the highest quality, that is called the superlative degree, that is a degree of comparison, the most intelligent. Number 2, before plural names like the Himalayas, the names before the people or objects that are unique or one, as I had explained, the sky, the moon, the earth, yes, and we also use the before the names of the musical instrument like the guitar. Now you come to page number 22. All of you, sorry, 21. You come to page number 21. In page number 21, you have got the let's practice. Now let's see what we have to do. Read this passage. Say why a, an or the have been used. Once one has been done for you. So the first one is already done for us. So first I will read out the passage to you and then we will proceed with the exercise. So see here, a baby saw a bird. The bird was sitting on a fence. The fence was painted brown. The baby waved at the bird and giggled. It showed an apple to the bird. The bird came to the baby to eat the apple. Now see, the first one, a baby dash is already is done. Baby is used for the first time. See, a baby. So it is said because we are talking about the baby for the first time. Okay. So a baby saw a bird. So why we are using a before baby? Because baby is used for the first time. Now the next one is a bird. So a baby saw a bird. So we are talking about the bird also first time. So we will write bird inside the inverted commas, inside the single inverted comma, and you will write bird used for the first time. Next, the bird was sitting on a fence. You can see a fence. So fence, again you will put fence inside single inverted comma and you will write used for the first time. Next, an apple. Again we are introducing apple for the first time. The noun is introduced for the first time. So put apple inside single inverted comma and write down has. So because apple is starting with A, yes, so it is a vowel. So we are using an before apple. Okay, we are not using a. We are it's written an apple. So apple has the vowel A and it is used for the first time. Okay. Next, the baby. So baby, you will put inside inverted commas. Now we are talking about the same baby for the second time. So you put baby inside single inverted comma and write has already been introduced. So the baby is already introduced to us. We know the baby now. The bird. See, we are using the before bird. So write down bird and put it inside single inverted comma and write has already been introduced. The fence. Again, the by we just now talked about fence. So you put fence, put the word fence inside single inverted comma and write down has already been introduced. Next, the apple. Now we have, when we talked about the apple for the first time, we said an apple. Now we are talking about the same apple for the second time. So we are using the apple. So put apple inside the inverted comma and write down has already been introduced. Now, see, come to the next page, page number 22. Number 1, let's practice number 1. Put a tick or a cross to show which article use is correct and which is not. Correct the wrong ones. One has been done for you. The first one is done for us. See, it was given a French can cook the good food. The correct one is the French, because the is French is name of a people. Yes, so we will write the French can cook good food. So that is already done. Now come to number B. Can you strum guitar? So it's wrong. So you will put a cross beside the question and we are going to write the correct one in the blank space given to you. See, Guitar. So guitar is a name of a musical instrument, right children? So what we have to use? Just now we read, we have to use the. So we will write, can you strum the guitar? Question mark. Now come to number C. The storm affected our village most. That is also wrong. Yes? Now see what is wrong in the sentence. The storm affected our village the most. See, just now we also talked about the superlative degree, the highest degree of comparison. So most is the highest degree of comparison. That is why we have to use the article the before most. So we will write, the storm affected our village the most. Come to number D. My mother prefers reading Hindu and not the Hindustan Times. So Hindu and Hindustan Times are names of newspaper. So this is also wrong. So I am very sure that you have found the mistake. Yes, there is the article the is missing before the name of the newspaper Hindu. So we have to correct it. So write down, my mother prefers reading the Hindu and not the Hindustan Times. Now come to number E. People in United States come from the different countries. So see, there is also a mistake. Please cross it out. So it will be the people in the United States. So United States is the name of a country. So we have to use the. Yes. So write, people in the United States came from. We don't write the in front of different. So we have to omit that. So we will write, people in the United States came from different countries. Okay. Now see number F. Piano produces the sweet music. So there is a mistake out here. Please correct it. So we have to use the before the name of the musical instrument. So here a is written. So instead of a you will be writing the. Okay. So you will write, the piano produces the sweet music. Okay. Come to number G. Sinhas are very health conscious. So it is also wrong. So we are talking about a particular or a specific family. So we have to use the. The Sinhas are very health conscious. Now come to number H. The Chinese built Great Wall of China to protect themselves. So it is also wrong. We have to write, the Chinese built the Great Wall of China to protect themselves. Okay, so you have to put the before Great Wall of China. Come to number I. We visited Van Gogh Museum in the Amsterdam. So it will be, we visited the, we are talking about a particular museum. We visited the Van Gogh Museum in Amsterdam. Okay, so we will omit the before Amsterdam. Okay, now see number J. Punjab is the land of 5 rivers. So it is correct. Yes, nothing is wrong there. So you can put a tick mark. Now come to number K. Rai received the Best Singer Award at annual function. So put a cross, that is not correct. We have to write, Rai received the Best Singer Award at the annual function. Okay, so we have to put the before annual function. Now come to page number 24. Page number 23 will be your homework. Okay, the exercise number 2 of page number 23 will be your homework. So now you turn to page number 24, that is the last page. See here, let's practice. Let's use a or an or the, or you simply put a cross in the blanks to complete the passage. So here is a passage given to, 2 passages are given to us. So wherever a, an or the is required we can put, and whenever the article is not required we will simply put a cross mark. Okay, See, number 1, I have dash old friend. I have an, because old O is a vowel, so we will use an. I have an old friend. One day he said, when you meet a man. So man is consonant, yes. So a man on the road. Okay. So you will write, when you meet a man on the road, do not greet him with, so we don't need any article there. Okay, in the dash, so you put a cross. Do not meet him with words or with silence. Tell me, how will you greet him? What is the answer to the question? What is the answer to this question? So, the answer is with a smile, of course. So, you will write a before smile, with a smile, of course. Okay. Now, come to number 2. Many boys and girls were taking, please cross it out. We don't need any article out here. Put a cross mark. Many boys and girls were taking karate class. A boy. So here we are talking about the boy for the first time. So it will be a boy was not able to concentrate because of the other students. He could not get the moves right. A teacher saw this. He took the boy to a quiet place where there was a stream. There were dash. So in that dash you put a cross mark. There were dash, you put a cross mark, stones in the stream. The teacher, now we are talking about the same teacher for the second time, so you will write the teacher said, see how the stream, so we are talking about the stream for the second time, so how the stream flows over and around the stones. It does not mind them. The boy got an amazing lesson on how to concentrate. Okay, so I hope so you have completed. Now you can see there is a revision given below. There you have to write a and an is used before consonants and vowels. The is used before nouns that have already been introduced. Okay, proper nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay. So thank you for the class. Stay home, stay safe and take care of yourself till we meet for the next class.